Fantom at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves, and we have also continued to hold within our key area of support that lies between the 0.8715 and the 0.5254. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the Deriv structures and the Fibonacci's, and above all, also give you the fundamental news that we have on Fantom. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first focusing on this tweet where you can see that Binance will be supporting the Fantom's rebrand to Sonic, with the FTM coin being delisted on the 13th of January 2025, and the new Sonic trading pairs will be live starting the 16th of January. So that is one of the main fundamental reasons as to why we are seeing some volatility on the Fantom chart, where we are now expecting a delisting of the FTM token since we are now rebranding to the Sonic token. And getting back to the charts to now give you the technical point of view here on the Fantom chart, from the lows we made on the 5th of August down here, we started a very impulsive movement to the upside, where we first peaked impulsively in the formation of these larger Deriv count 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of these larger Deriv count 2, saw another bounce in the formation of these wave 3 in a move that peaked above the $1.4. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of these larger Deriv count 4, and finally peaked impulsively in the formation of these wave 5 in a move that peaked above the 1.48. And that structure to the upside, starting from the lows we made on the 5th of August, completed an even larger Deriv count 1 that I have on the charts using these. I have marked on the charts using these white Deriv structure, and having completed the formation of that larger Deriv count 1, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term corrective structure in the formation of these larger Deriv count 2. Those minimum target areas I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, and that gave me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that lies between the 0.8725 and the 0.5259, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart using this yellow target area. So this is an area that I'm expecting that Fantom is going to fully maximize in the next coming days. And also remember, since we have some fundamental reasons, some fundamental news that have been driving the price higher, there are high chances that whatever we are seeing now is much oversell the news event, since we have been seeing higher prices as people were buying the rumor that we are going to see Fantom rebrand to Sonic. So there are high chances that whatever is happening is much oversell than the news event. And if that is the case, there are very high chances that we are going to fully maximize our yellow target area for the second wave before we can finally stabilize and start a reversal to the upside in an impulsive Deriv count 3 in a move that can easily get us back above the dollar mark and possibly get us back above the $1.5 once we have the new Sonic token. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we could also have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and soon ahead of that rebrand we can easily start another leg to the upside in the formation of these larger Deriv count 3. So for now, all we need to do is pay attention to this key area of support between the 0.8715 and the 0.5254. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fantom to follow here on the short term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.